I believe we have a cumulative inflation of over 50%.
So Trump thinks the real inflation is 50%. And I think actually he's a little bit conservative on that estimate. Guys, the market is about to come to realization at any given moment over the course of the next couple of weeks that, look, all this data is so highly manipulated. Just look at the jobs report that we had on Friday. What kind of bullshit was that, right? They're revising the prior jobs number, which was at like 330,000, and that's the day when the market jumps higher like crazy, right? Now revising that to 200,000, but yet the market is not dropping like crazy, right? Look at this fucking crazy shit, guys. I'm here. This is not going to be a lengthy video. I'm here to tell you this flash crash is way overdue. It's going to happen at any given hour. This is a very urgent message, guys. Okay? So we're in a period of stagflation. Means higher fucking inflation combined with slower economic growth. There's never been a year in the United States market history where there was a year of stagflation and markets went higher. So all the analysts that you're listening to on Wall Street, they're full of shit. They're about to unload everything, starting with Nvidia. They're gonna unload this crap. Look, this pump today to $910 is when we're shorting the fuck out of Nvidia. SMCI, any bounce is to be shorted. So I told you in the last video, I said, when you're going to be absolutely looking at the chart and things are going to be looking like they're collapsing, which was yesterday, you're going to be tempted to buy what? Puts. And that's going to be exactly the moment when the market's going to bounce and you're going to be, oh my God, well clearly, of course, the market is not going to crash. Nothing's going to fucking happen. And this is going to be the last bounce before the market goes stratospherically lower to the magnitude that you have never possibly imagined in your entire trading life. So this is the most beautiful shortable moment of 2024. SMCI at 1160. It's got a ton of room to go lower. It wouldn't be shocking if it hit 700 by next week. 580. Guys, this shit could get slashed in half. And look, and this can happen lightning fast. We're not talking about a move that's going to take, oh, Leo, this takes 2 months. No, this shit can happen lightning fast. Three trading days. We're talking about 3 fucking trading days here. Things are going to go way fucking low. And look, exactly what we've talked about in the last couple of videos, it's happening. So look, this is gold. Gold hits this critical level, 2186 right here. 2186. The bounce is exactly to the T. This was a slide overshoot right here, but that's what happens. We've been warning you about a lot of sectors making highs, and immediately when they make the highs, what do? They sell off. This was the case in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin could have one of the biggest drops here on BTC over the course of the next 72 hours, guys. 73.7. That's your lucky number on BTC. Now, we didn't short it at 73.7, but we shorted it at 73. Yesterday, we've added more to 73.3, 73.5 between yesterday and today. So our average on the short is 73.400. Guys, we're at 72.4 now. Yes, we're making a little bit of money, but expect a lightning fast. This was a 10,000 point drop in recent history. That was just within the last 5 trading days, and nobody even fucking remembers it, right? Everybody's focusing what? On the green candles and BTC going high. You should be focusing exactly the opposite of that. You should be focusing on this 10,000 point drop that at this point can expand. It's going to be a move expansion, and the move expansion could be a 15,000 point drop, 20,000 point drop, but it's going to be lightning fast. We're talking about a flash crash. Just like nobody remembers at this point about this 10,000 point drop, nobody's even going to fucking remember about this potential $15,000, $20,000 drop, because by the time it drops 20,000, of course they're going to buy the dip. Sure, it's a given. But the biggest money within minutes, within moments, is going to be made on this flash crash. Guys, the markets are trading at insane levels. And that's about to change the sentiment. Understand this, markets never fucking crash when everyone expects them to crash. So, and there's so many bulls. And look at this, I mean, these are parallel moves. So this move right here from on NASDAQ from here to here. Now look at the size of this move. It's even bigger, okay? And the third move right here, guys, is gonna be double the size of this, which was, what? This move was 400 points. We get an 800 point drop within minute. I mean, can you understand? NASDAQ dropping fucking 800 points in 13 minutes. I mean, you want to be ahead. You want to position ahead of that kind of move, okay? So trade with the 13 market moves coach, guys. There's insane, absolutely insane stuff that's about to take place. Nobody's talking about it yet, but it's about to take place, and not in a fashion that everyone's expecting it. I'm talking about lightning fast. It is there's a difference between a flash crash and a normal kind of crash. Flash crash happens within moments, and then it gains some momentum to the upside. And so, but that could lead to a way bigger crash in 2024. Again, the year of stagflation. You don't bet on the market to go higher in the year of stagflation, which is by definition, this is a representation of the greatest fucking entry on the short side that you could possibly have. Put options, okay, and the activity in the put options pricing is way underpriced. Okay, you have the lowest short interest in majority of the stocks in the market ever. Okay, this makes it a perfect setup for a beautiful short. And all of these guys, all of this is happening. Hey, if the market's so bullish, okay, then why don't we have a VIX now, let's say of 9 or 10? Well, things are not so bullish. This 14 to 16 zone is very, very dangerous zone for the VIX. I would call the greatest danger is 14.9, because some of the biggest collapses, they happen when VIX gets to 14.9, and then things just, they escalate out of that number dramatically. I mean, 30% in one day on the VIX. Once it's back to like 15, you can see a VIX at 18, 20, 21, 25. It can happen lightning fast. It could happen, of course. Look, VIX is something that could go in a day, but like 100%. It has happened before. So it has a history of doing those kind of moves, guys. So be ready. I mean, this is going to catch a lot of people off guard. There's some crazy stuff in the market that we're noticing when it comes to crypto. Okay, guys, I mean, a lot of the grayscale funds, I mean, they're going out. I mean, they're down 50 to 70%, yet it's not reflected in the majority of the crypto market yet. So let's take a look. Solana, grayscale Solana. Check this out, guys. I mean, this shit is down. Guess what? It was yesterday above 500. It hit a low of 175 today. I mean, from 580 to 175. What the fuck is that? It's an 80% drop in grayscale Solana. Okay, if we take a look at some other grayscale, grayscale LNK, for example. Okay, that's Chainlink on grayscale. From 219, we're down to 110. That's a 50% drop. Yesterday it was down as low as 85. Guys, this is some wild moves, okay, and yet the rest of the crypto market is not paying any attention to this. Okay, we had some wild shit. I mean, let's glance at another one. I mean, maybe this one is not so huge, but it gets the point across. Bottom line is GLIV. Okay, let's take a look at that one. I mean, same stuff. I mean, it's a 50% drop. 50% drop. Yes, they trade on light volume, and they don't have any options. But it's something. It's one sector of the market. It's a canary in the crypto mine that basically telling you, hey, some shit is about to get ugly. And clearly, I mean, to glance again at the BTC, I mean, it is a thing of beauty. I mean, this shit, I mean, we just got 12,000 points just to hit that low. So when we get close to that low, expect to bounce. But we can break that 60,000 level within moments. And people are going to be like, what the fuck is happening? And that's the moment, right, where you're going to have coin and MSTR and all that shit. I mean, this is a beautiful setup. You got a short setup like this, guys. I mean, MSTR, unfortunately, options a little overpriced, but what is that? That's a head and shoulder formation. It's a thin bit. There's going to be a lightning fast move, and unless you get position ahead of that move, you're just going to be staring at your screen, and you're going to be thinking, oh my God, it's too late, it's too late, it's too late to get in. But see, the main issue with the market participants, nobody's thinking about, oh, Leo, it's at 52.38, let's fucking, oh my God, let's short it. No, everybody's like, oh, Leo, I can't take this anymore, I'm getting out, oh, Leo, oh, no. Man, grab your balls and trade this market. This is the greatest short selling opportunity in the history of the financial markets. Be a part of it, damn it. Get off your ass. Call 13 Market Moves right now. Visit 13mmtv.com. Click the big orange button. We have a contest. 10x your account in the next 10 trading days. If you grab your balls and you think you got what it takes, okay, this is your time to take action. 10x your account in the next 10 trading days. trading with 13 Market Moves Coach. Let's roll. Don't miss this unique entries opportunity on the short side while the rest of the world is still buying fucking calls. Let's roll.